You think a big SUV automatically keeps your family safe? Think again. Today, we're putting two massive SUVs under the microscope, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade and the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander. On paper, they both look like fortresses, but the IIHS crash data reveals shocking gaps that most salespeople won't tell you. And if you're about to sign a lease or finance deal, this could literally change your mind. Let's start with the Hyundai Palisade. It earned the top safety pick this year. Small overlap front? Good. Side impact? Good. Sounds bulletproof, right? But then comes the updated moderate overlap test, the one with a dummy in the back seat, simulating what happens to your kids. Here, the Palisade only scored acceptable. That means in a real-world angled crash, your rear passengers might take more force than you'd expect. A minor detail in a test, but a major concern for parents. Now the shocking part. Hyundai issued a major stop sale and recall on certain Palisade trims. The problem? Second and third row power folding seats can fail to detect objects or even people. There are reports of injuries. Imagine this. Your kid is climbing into the back seat and the system doesn't stop when it hits an obstruction. That's terrifying. A vehicle rated top safety pick, yet the seats themselves are a potential hazard.
The Toyota Grand Highlander is supposed to be bulletproof Toyota safety, but this year, it failed to earn a top safety pick. In the same updated moderate overlap test, it actually did better than the Palisade, keeping rear passengers safer. But then it faltered in the small overlap front test. The driver's side door compromised, the steering column shifted more than it should. A head-on impact here could be costly, both in terms of safety and repairs. Here's the brutal truth. The Palisade protects the front, but back seats have weaknesses. The Grand Highlander protects the back, but the front has vulnerabilities. Neither SUV is perfect, and yet many people will sign a deal today without knowing this. Now, factor in real-life usage. If you drive mostly in the city, where side-angle collisions are common, the Palisade's structural edge in front might save your life. If you're a highway cruiser with rear passengers, the Grand Highlander's better rear protection could be the difference between minor injuries and something far worse.
And don't forget tech. The Palisade has front center airbags to prevent head collisions and easy-to-use latch anchors. The Grand Highlander comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, top-tier pedestrian detection, and proactive driving assist. But safety tech doesn't matter if your seat crushes your child or your steering column shifts in a crash. This isn't just about numbers on a chart. It's your kids, your family, your life. Imagine pulling into a driveway thinking your SUV is safe, and one small design flaw turns that assumption upside down. So which SUV would you trust with your family tomorrow? The Hyundai with stronger front and side protection but a seat recall? Or the Toyota with better rear passenger scores but a weaker small overlap front? Comment below Hyundai or Toyota and tell me why. And here's the most important part. Don't just watch, act. Share this video with anyone shopping for a family SUV, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. We don't just read brochures. We analyze tests, recalls, and real-world dangers so you make an informed choice. Remember, SUV size doesn't equal safety. Don't take chances with your family. Know the truth before you buy.